Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon employee discount. First, you'll need to understand the eligibility, typically requiring 30 days of employment and working 20 or more hours weekly. You can find your unique employee discount code, or EDC, on your Amazon A2Z account, usually under your profile. This discount is specifically for items sold and shipped directly by Amazon. 1-6-18. Let's dive into the specifics. Your Amazon employee discount provides a 10% reduction on eligible purchases. However, it's capped at a total savings of $100 per calendar year, meaning it applies to your first $1,000 in qualifying purchases. Remember, this discount is only valid for products sold and shipped directly by Amazon, not those from third-party sellers. 1, 4, 6, 12, 15, 17. Applying your discount is straightforward. Once you've added eligible items to your cart, proceed to checkout. Look for the section labeled Gift Card and Promotional Codes and enter your employee discount code there. After initial activation, the code might automatically apply to future eligible purchases. Always review the terms to see if your discount can be combined with other ongoing promotions for even greater savings. 8, 9, 10, 18. To truly maximize your savings, don't forget about Amazon Extras, a separate program offering thousands of deals on travel, entertainment, and more, potentially saving you thousands annually. While the primary discount is for your personal use and linked to one account, you can make purchases for friends and family. Always stay updated on program changes to ensure you're getting the most out of your valuable employee benefits. 1, 7, 11, 14, 17.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.